Hi everyone, I am Shamrat Miah. Today I am going to discuss about ZAP, and it's one most very important and basic scanning system which is declared with automated scan. So in ZAP actually that we can do scan with automated scan, or another one is manual explore. So we'll learn step by step about. Firstly, we will learn about automated scan, and then we will go for manual explore. So automated scan is a very simple one. So what we do actually with ZAP? So ZAP is a attacking platform where which tools we can use for targeted our web server with also web applications, and for to get evaluate information that which pages are strong or which pages are not strong weakness, and after we get that we can research on that, and as a security purpose, as a security engineer, so we can fix that. So we can do our work now. So for these things we have to click on automated scan. So after we click on automated scan, so here is the interesting things that here are the few options we get, that URL to attack, use traditional spider, use Ajax Spider. So when the traditional spider and Ajax Spider is coming front on this environment, so we have to know what are those. So the traditional spider is meaning that actually this spider, the both spider, traditional spider and Ajax Spider, will do scan uh, targeting the server web applications, and it will bring the uh, best as possible results to the scanner person. But the traditional spider can't do it is not a update spidering way, but the Ajax Spider is a update way to scan. So traditional spider cannot scan which one applications are made by JavaScript, like as Facebook's or Google. Those are definitely made by JavaScript or more than technology, more than updated coded. So it is not possible to get evaluate information, get the weakness, get the alerts information from there. Okay, so the traditional spanner can't bring those information from which one are made by JavaScript. But what's about the Ajax Spider? So Ajax Spider work in an updated way. So Ajax Spider can do search, can do scan, can do attack, whatever it is made by JavaScript or not, like this way. So at this point, so we know that Ajax Spider is good. And what is that? So if we need to use traditional spider, we will click on here, no, then untick, and we will select use Ajax Spider, never, if more than, or always. So my opinion is put it always for every time. And here is the option that only Chrome or Firefox are view granted um, granted to view the final result to a viewer. Okay, because without Chrome or Firefox you can't use this automated scan to get information as a as a presentation way. Okay, so if you want to see the results as a presentation way, so you have to be select Chrome headless, Firefox, or Firefox headless. Okay, or in a last there is the option HTML unit. So those five options are built in, and we will get it from automated scan. If you select Chrome, then the result will come out after every scan. After every pages scan, it will show us through a uh, web page view, okay, through a window view. So it is a kind of annoying and boring also. So if you use Chrome headless, then the web browser will not open for every scan, and all the information we will get from our history chat below. So I'm just writing in here a link, and I'm telling you that this is the learner purpose. So we are talking about traditional spider and use of Ajax Spider. So as a learning purpose, we can't do scan all kind of applications link. So there is a three, four, or few more link. Those are always open for learning purpose. We will use that. So now in here, I'm writing here test php dot booleanwave dot com, this link. So use traditional spider. Okay, if I click on here like this way, and if I select in here never, so what will happen in here? And attack. So my test php booleanwave.com, this is a um, this is a application. So this application is not made by JavaScript, so that's why the traditional spider is okay with this, fine with this. And after our spider scanning, you see, after our spider scanning, when it has done, that time we are automatically transferred to the active scan. So through this active scan, this is a attacking scan, so it is doing attack. Okay, it is doing attack. If I click on here this show scan progress details, so it will show us that in which platforms the active scan is now doing currently scanning. So now at this moment the path traversal, these sections are scanning. Then remote file inclusion, this is also scanning at this moment. So those are scanning. Actually those are in under process with attack. So this attack means at the last of the moment it will show us a few alert descriptions. How can you solution those strength? If we get a very medium or low strength, how can we fix those things? So like those information will bring out from after this active scan. So I'm just closing these things. Yeah, I'm just closing these things and open a new session. Yeah, after I open a new session, so the link will be same, and I'm not going to use the traditional spider. So use the Ajax spider always, and using Chrome headless. Okay, so if I'm not using this Chrome headless, if I'm doing the Chrome, what will happen then? Attack. You will just look at my screen. There is a browser option uh, was coming in front, but here is the message: fail to start Chrome browser, make sure that the Chrome and Chrome driver are available. Here is a few technical problems in my system, so that's why the browser is not coming. But if you concentrantly focus on my environment when I was clicking, so that time a browser was opened. So that's mean that if you are using the Chrome options, every pages after scanning it will show us a result with window shape. That's we called either Firefox or Chrome will open. Chrome browser will open as the extra window on my screen. So if you don't like that is kind of screen, so just using here, like me. Just a second, I'm opening a new session again for starting this again from the beginning part. So if I write in here Chrome headless, if I click on here attack, then there is no issues in here. What is failed to start connect Chrome headless, whether available or subject. Okay, so now the all informations are the all informations are now we are getting now after our history list as a history list. So so if you check in here, so our spider is now off because we are using now Ajax Spider. So here is Ajax Spider. So Ajax Spider is done. Now it is active scan, because after you scan your targeted server or web applications after traditional, either traditional Spider or Ajax Spider, the active scan will come automatically and it will scan to our targeted link. So like this way actually, um, our traditional spider and Ajax spider are works we on our targeted link. And so this is the difference actually, actually to our traditional spider, between our traditional spider and our Ajax spider. So I hope so guys you will understand about traditional spider and Ajax spider, and just install it your own computer and try it like so. Thank you very much. And one thing more, that don't be use um any kind of links what you are as your wish, because those are strictly prohibit that we can't use any type of links, especially those which are not, whose are not permitted by use. So just use this test PSP full and away these links. It is a free to use as a learner purpose for everyone. Thank you very much.